to my channel, Coin Lady, and thank you for returning. The phrase XRP, bulls target $2.50, as weekly chart shows critical breakout potential, is taken from a Crypto Basic headline. I would be thrilled to see that it's not quite the highest point ever. We haven't witnessed a price that high since 2018, so let's kick things off here. Last time around, XRP, the market cap was $2. This bull season, XRP might reach $10 for the 4 additional reasons listed in the headline. Here are some of my opinions and ideas on the matter. I wholeheartedly believe that XRP might realistically achieve any price in that range. That seems quite sensible to me. If anything, it's conservative in that sense. It may or may not happen, I am uncertain. I am not speculating on the price. What I'm trying to convey is that, in my humble view, it is completely reasonable. Consider the behavior of cryptocurrency prices during bull markets. If a coin is going to run, there have been plenty of examples throughout history of things going completely bonkers. Also with XRP and a plethora of other cryptocurrencies? Yes, it's totally doable, isn't it? I want to go over some XRP chart analysis with you, but I need to hear from a few different analysts first. However, I should preface this by saying that I am not providing financial advice and that I do not possess any sort of financial experience. By the way, you shouldn't base any purchases or sales on what I say, okay? I'm just a curious bystander that loves to vlog about cryptocurrency on YouTube. I do it for fun, though. Moreover, for the sake of entertainment. First, let's shift gears and listen to chart analysts and Cointelegraph writer Ritesh Gupta. His claims are borne out by the opinions of numerous XRP chart analysts, which is why I find them so intriguing. If it sounds like something that has been going on recently, it's probably just a lot of repetition. That's because, as previously mentioned, that is the focus at this very moment. So, I'll just say this, if I hear experts talking about XRP or Bitcoin, I know it's a good bet because I've found that when a lot of analysts are saying the same thing, it usually makes a lot of sense. This is essentially what he is referring to when he says that we are seeing it on the lower timeline. However, when it comes to longer-term trends, it is widely believed among unbiased chart experts that XRP will crush current market cycle, skyrocket to new heights, and face an all-time high. His words, however, are presented here. Despite their best efforts, the bears were unable to keep XRP below the 57-cent breakout threshold. If the XRP-USDT pair maintains its current trajectory, strong buying on dips is likely as bulls attempt to drive the price over 64 cents, paving the way for a move to 67 cents and eventually 74 cents. Sellers are predicted to fiercely defend the 74-cent barrier. That is, the XRP price relative to Tether, which is the same as the XRP price relative to the USD. The price of XRP relative to the dollar could remain range-bound for a few more days if the pair declines from 74 cents. Okay, everyone, I've noticed this too. Recently, there was a highlight camera, I can't remember which station right now. Maybe he was expressing his passion for cryptocurrency, but there will likely be some spectacular fireworks this week. Plus, XRP's value has the potential to quadruple in a few days once it begins running. Therefore, he is omitting that particular detail. He does, however, claim that something is going to happen quickly with it in the next days, that this is a potentially exciting time to be an XRP investor. Holder. He continues by stating that the area between 57% and 54% is likely to provide solid support during price falls. If prices go below the zone, the bears will have the upper hand. This brings me to my second point. He estimated 54 cents, but I've seen others estimate 52 or 53 cents, so there may be some disagreement amongst the analysts. It is the same concept. For some reason, I can't stop seeing spewed. I can tell you from personal experience that when you hear multiple analysts saying nearly the same thing, it's probably because what they're saying makes a ton of sense. That is only my personal observation. On the other hand, Crypto Crusaders chart analyst Nick has posted a small warning, nothing particularly alarming, in his post. At least in my opinion. There will be no straight line for XRP's price increase. Nothing will work. Even during a gigantic bull run, there is still a possibility of huge corrections. Consider 2017 as an example. The price of XRP increased from half a penny to around 42 cents a few months later. After then, it fell back to earth. At the end of the day, I have no idea how low it dropped. It dropped below 20 cents at least a few times throughout the subsequent 6 months. To determine the precise low point, I would need to consult a chart. What matters is that it's a huge step. After revving up to that level in a bull market, loosely likely lost more than half of its worth. Nevertheless, you are aware that there was a delay. The rally continued for another 6 months. The finest part was right at the end, in December, when it rose from roughly 20 cents to nearly $4. In any case, I'd be cool with XRP using the liquidity from the current high and the 70-cent range to bridge that fair value gap between 44 and 51 cents, so here's Nick Crypto Crusader. I'd be wary of things getting too wild with RSI and stochastic RSI right now. I am curious to know what the week brings. Just so you know, I won't be too positive until the daily close is above 75 cents. Look, he summarized today's discussion and said, 74 cents net Crypto Crusader, a good illustration of how we're arguing about insignificant details. That portion is essentially the same concept. Therefore, despite his caution, yes, it is possible that we may witness some negative developments. That's something that many analysts have pointed out to me. Cryptus XRP, according to this report by chart analysts, concluded the week below key resistance. But we're still above the 21-week 21 mark in May, so that's a plus. However, retests of support in the mid to lower 50s are likely to occur. Around the 50-cent mark, then. When we look at this again, what do we notice? Here's a chart analyst that is credible in the cryptocurrency market. It's somewhat close to what Rakesh Uberday was discussing. This is the XRP USD chart we just got, and we're talking about XRP. Additionally, he believes that XRP will move well beyond $10 in this market cycle, which is another legitimate cryptocurrency. Whatever it is, you're going to be dancing with joy if he's correct. I can't recall the exact range he gave, but it was probably somewhere between $10 and $20. So many people are listening right now, and if that does happen, it will cause them to suffer financially for the rest of their lives. We are still in the arranging phase, but for the time being, this is what he posted. However, I will consider a possible trade if we are once again in the green zone, which is 50 cents or lower. Also, keep in mind that he is a trader in addition to credible crypto, he just hobbles most of his crypto. I hope XRP won't put him off. Reaching such heights is certainly within the realm of possibility. I did observe numerous M&A deals this morning. Even if it does, I don't think it's cause for alarm. Many will simply see it as a chance to make something of themselves. If what matters is that things are going to heat up and take off, that the Russell 2000 keeps turning to the upside, that we have expansion, that the crypto markets are stable, and that we have full-blown alt season, then we will either get it or we will not. Even if XRP drops so low, it won't have any practical impact in the near future. When prices drop, people will be ecstatic because they can stock up. Except for that, it's not terrifying at all. In no way. The headline from the Crypto Basic I mentioned earlier in the video is as follows: XRP bulls aim to break through a major trendline barrier on the weekly chart, which could push prices to $2.50. As an aside, I've seen that some people find the idea absurd, especially considering that XRP is only worth about 60 cents right now. It appears that way until something unexpected happens, though. After then, it's plainly not impossible, because it has already happened. These things also happen very quickly. Countless these have passed me by during the years. Naturally, holding XRP entails enduring dull, flat, or declining price activity. These are interesting and entertaining, though. I've been through a lot of them. Furthermore, I think we will be able to share in those experiences. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I'll see you later.